Instagram stories have exploded in popularity over the last few years. More than 500 million Instagram users view stories daily. But what if you want to view someone's stories without them knowing? In this video, I'll explain how to view Instagram stories anonymously. When someone posts an Instagram story, it appears at the top of their profile for 24 hours. If you're friends with that person, you can view their story no problem. But if you're not friends, the only way to view it is by going to their profile during those 24 hours. And when you view a story this way, the person is notified that you viewed it. But there are a few tricks to get around this and view stories anonymously, without leaving a view receipt. I'll cover the easiest online methods as well as an app-based approach. Method 1. Online viewers. There are several websites that allow anonymous story viewing. I'll list some of the top options: Instastories, Story Saver, InstaViewer, Story Insta, Insta Stories Viewer. These sites don't require you to register or download anything. Just enter the username of the person whose stories you want to see. The sites pull the stories and display them for anonymous viewing. Method 2. InstaGold app. Another option is using a third-party Instagram app like InstaGold. This app has a ghost mode that lets you view stories without appearing on the viewer list. You can also download stories and reels with InstaGold. But be aware it violates Instagram's policies, so use carefully to avoid account suspension. Those are a couple methods to view Instagram stories anonymously, both on the web and with a special app. Use sparingly and ethically. Check the video description for links to the sites mentioned. Let me know if you have any other Instagram tips. Like and subscribe for more social media tutorials.